if you're unfamiliar with Persona Central Console, how you take it out is you have to remove this two screws. Then there's two behind here. And one more here. And pull your handbrake up. Then put to 3, might be easier. Then start pulling it up. And there's 2 cables here. This one you just press here and then pull it out. This one is the same also. Press here, pull it out. You just have to do it by feel. This is my messy table with a bit of Sherlock. On this one, this is the original amber LED, and this one is the white one that I just soldered in. This is easy because it's only 2 pins, so naturally it's positive and negative. There's nothing else. Unlike the one on our speedometer, there's 4 pins. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Look at that, it's gonna modernize the whole thing so much. Orange is very dated.